Alright guys, so this is, as you guys know, one of my favorite printers, the Monoprice Mini Delta. But today, while I was trying to get something off the build plate, this happened, and the reason why it did is because these little tiny wires are super thin, and as you can see here, the soldering was not done that well. So the two larger wires here, no problem with them whatsoever, but the little ones came off, and now the problem is I can't remember which way these things went. I know that they went here, but was the red one on this side and the black one on that one? That I don't know, so we'll have to find out. This right here is one of my favorite knives, but it happens to be the culprit here. And in this particular situation, yeah, it destroyed the wires. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Likey